Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to a World Coin Hunt. I've designated this coin hunt World Coin Hunt 28, and the first coin that we have in this coin hunt is a Greek coin of 20 drachmas value, dated 1984. It has the country on the obverse along with a portrait of Pericles. On the reverse we have the Acropolis, the value and the year. And the mintage for this coin from 1984 is 13,412,000. The second coin is from Yugoslavia. It's a 5 dinar. It's from 1983. You have the coat of arms of Yugoslavia on the front with the name, the country name. On the rear you have the value of the coin, which is 5 dinars, and the year of 1983. This coin has a mintage of 40,156,000. The next coin is one a place that we don't get to too often, and that's Argentina. This is a 1 peso coin from the year 2009. On the front here you have the country, you have the coat of arms, you also have the country's name. On the back you also have another symbol of Argentina, which is a rising sun, laurels, and the value of 1 peso. The mintage for this 2009 coin is 51 million units. Here is the Spanish coin with the portrait of Juan Carlos I. You also have the country name and also the year of 1976. You also have the year and the crown. Sorry, you have the value and the crown. The value of 25 pesetas and the Spanish crown. Oh, excuse me, this 1983 coin has a mintage of 248 million. This next coin is from Greece. It is 2 drachmas from 1976. It has a portrait of Georgios Kapakrios. That's K-A-I-C-I-R-S-K-A-K-I-S. That's a hell of... when you're not used to it, it's not a name that's that you can very easily pronounce. On the back you have the crossed rifles and the year of 1976. The mintage for this coin is 92,401,000. The next one is a Dutch coin, or one from the Netherlands. It's 5 gulden from 1988. It has Queen Beatrix as portrait on the obverse. On the reverse you have the value of 5 gulden, and a pattern on the back of it. The mintage for this 1988 coin is 73,700,000. The next coin that we have is its next door country, Belgium. It's a stylized portrait of King Guyen I, I believe it is. It's from 1986. It has a value of 5 francs. On this side we have a stylized portrait of the king, which is actually that way up. I do apologise. You have a fairly well stylized portrait of the king. And on the reverse you have the 5 franc denomination along with the country and the year of 1986. The mintage for this coin is 208,450,000. Here we have a coin from Spain. It shows General Franco's portrait on the front. It's a coin that's dated 1966 on the obverse. However, with Spanish coins, on the reverse, on the lower denomination coins in particular, the 1, 5, 10 pesos, you have a star. The star in this case actually shows the year 67, so it is actually a 1967 coin with a 1966 obverse. And the mintage for this coin is 59 million exactly, and the obverse shows the coat of arms, the Royal Coat of Arms. Next page, come on. The next page shows a portrait of a man, I believe it might be Saudi. Or it could. It's a 5 fils. Sorry, 10 fil port notation. Arabic writing. I wasn't able to track down fully the country or the mintage for this coin. They tend not to give the mintage for these low value coins in the Arabian countries. Next one is 1,000 rupiah from Indonesia. On the obverse you have the value, the coat of arms of the country, and also the value of 1,000 rupiah. The coin was minted in 2010, and on the rear we have a set of buildings, and these are the Angklung buildings, and that's Angklung. The mintage for this coin from 2010, 1,000 rupiah, is 719 million. Next, I've brought them in together. They are 10 centime coins from France. One is from 1985 and one is from 1970. On the front, on the obverse, you have Marianne in her cap, and on the reverse you have the year and the value. The 1970 coin has a mintage of 77,030,000. The 1985 coin has a mintage of 170,004,511. Yeeks. Denmark 25 ore. The next one is a Danish coin from 1994. It has the crown, the year and the country. And under the obverse we have a heart, and below the heart is the 25 ore value. I'm not sure whether the heart is a mint mark or not, but this 1994 25 ore coin from Denmark has a mintage of 40 million. Next is Belgium, and we have a miner from Belgium, and the coin is a 50 centime coin from 1959. On this side we have the miner in his helmet, and on the reverse we have the crown above the value and the year. This 1959 coin has a mintage of 17,350,000. The next coin is from Poland. It is a 5 groszy coin from 1998. This side shows, the obverse shows the crowned eagle, the year and the country name. Then on the reverse we have the 5 groszy, and we also have 5 oak leaves representing the value 5. This 1998 coin has a mintage of 472,002.
These two coins are from Malaysia. They're 5 cent. One is from 2010, one is from 2011. They both have the same obverse and reverse, so I'm showing both of them at the same time. The reverse has a country, the value, the year, and a hibiscus flower, which is this side here. The other side, the reverse or the obverse for both of these coins shows a spinning top. There is no mintage for either 2010 or the 2011 coins. And we also have two coins of this one of the same value. One is from 1978 and one is from 1993. The 1978 one has a portrait of Juliana on it, which is this one here. This one here has a portrait of Queen Beatrix on it. On the reverse is the same for both of them. You have, this one just has the 10 cents and this one has the 10 cent with the crown above it, which is the Juliana one, is the 10 cent with the crown above it from 1978. The 1978, which is this one, has a mintage of 110 million. The 10 cent from Beatrix, which is 1993, has a mintage of 30,100,000. And the last coin is from Brazil. We have a portrait on the front of the coin. I'm not sure who it's supposed to be of. It is a 10 centavos from 1994. You have the portrait on the front, and you also have the name, and you also have the country name in Brazil going across the bottom of the coin. On the other side, on the reverse, you have the value and the year. Now, this coin was minted, as I said, in 1994, 10 centavos, and the mintage was 640,682,000. Wow, that's a big mintage. Now, as before, I've now rebadged these coins, ready for me to sort out and put into flips when I get round to sorting everything out. In the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am looking forward to growing this channel this year, so if you can give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, it'd be greatly received, and also I would be very happy if you would think about subscribing to the channel. I would like to get at least 100 subscribers by Christmas. I'm well on the way there, but I still need your help to get to the total of 100. If you wish to subscribe to me, I'll be grateful and very, very happy person that you've joined me through the rest of my coins, my journey through coins, banknotes, military and collectibles. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you would want to watch next week. And in the meantime, from me, thank you for watching, and I'll see you hopefully not too far into the distant future with another video. And until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now, bye bye.